Oh, you're delusional.
Like I said, I've read all of the text communication between you and this child, and it's highly inappropriate for any adult to have with a child, let alone a 4th grade teacher.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Is it necessary to handcuff me? I'm not going anywhere.
Right now, when we...
I'm confused. This dude is delusional. The fact that he wanted to pay $1,000 for a night with a 13-year-old, and an additional $1,000 for 2 nights with a 13-year-old. Now, it would lead you to believe that he just, an older man, wants a 13-year-old child because he wants to be in control. But you know what? I thought about it, and it can't be that. There's so many women his age, a little bit younger, maybe, 27, 29, 30. He's what? They said he was 42. There's women out there that like the dominatrix, that like to be, you know what I'm saying? Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Fusion here. We are back with another banger reaction video. We about to get into I believe, a little bit of serious video. You feel me? Some more serious than we normally do, but we know we gotta do the real, stay real, put the real out so people are educated, so they know what's going on, and so the people are put on Front Street even more than they already have been, okay? We about to tap into a video I got sent about a 4th grade teacher, arrested in predator sting. A 4th grade teacher. A 4th grade teacher. Okay? This is what we about to tap into this. Before we get into this video, we're gonna get straight into it because I don't like doing these videos, but they have to be done, okay? We gotta check on our meeprees. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most important, spiritually. Hopefully, you're spiritually grounded for the video we about to get into, because when it comes to kids, I don't play about it. And predators, grown adults, I'll never understand it in my life. I don't understand how older men like little boys. I don't understand how men like little girls. Like the thinkery and the shit is all off. The meats are all off. Like, who doesn't want a woman like a woman? Feel me? Like, what are we doing? Like, you are sadistic in the head type. You can't explain it. It doesn't make sense to sane people. So I'll never be able to comprehend it. So we're going to tap in. Let's get the video to 1,000 likes, 20K views. Let's run it up, get the story out there even more than it already has been. And shout out to the subscriber that sent it to me. And shout out to Sergeant Pepperspray for the original video. His link will be down in the description box below. Tap in.
In August 2025, Detective Drew Sinclair went undercover, posing as a 13-year-old girl named Claire. After posting a fake ad online, Detective Sinclair began texting with a person who answered.
Detective St. Clair went online undercover as Claire. So he used part of his name. Sergeant Sinclair turned into Claire. I see what you did there, officer.
The ad. A 42-year-old man named Ross.
42, bro. When you hit, hold up. Curious if you know when you head up here, you could come up Ellensburg. Ellensburg? Is that Washington? I'm 13 though. You remember that, right? Yes. I assume 1,000 minimum. I can cash out and maybe could take a pic. What? Sorry for ignoring you. I just kind of feel like maybe I shouldn't be the one other kind of sketched out. Sorry. I understand. Let me know if you help. I verify myself more, and I could deposit you. Comfort in. Would you like this place to be okay? 1K evening, but could do a day for 2K? Damn. Sorry, I was at the fair with my friends. How old are you?
Detective Sinclair then sent Ross a fake photo of Claire. This is how Ross responded.
I'm not going to jail. You are ridiculous, way too cute. Feel like a setup. Weirdo, why would you be going to jail? You could be anyone. Okay, I'm going to go now because you're being psycho. Bye. Don't text me again. You're like every other guy try to get pics. Bye. I'm going to hang out with my friends. Don't text me anymore. You're definitely a child. Sorry, I'm just kind of super. Oh, Sergeant St. Clair doing a rollery type, ain't he? I don't want to get into trouble too. Just want to enjoy my time. First day back is a lot. Huh? Oh, back to school, but not as a student. You're a teacher? Yes. And you're trying to hook up with me at 13? Dude, are you afraid of getting in trouble? Natural amount of fear, but I'm okay if you are. Ooh-wee. I'm a professional and have my personal life. Now I'm scared, though, huh? Scared. It's discreet. It's up to you. But if we like to meet each other, a great time and place, keep important secrets.
Ross texted Claire a receipt showing he booked a room at the Comfort Inn Hotel. He then negotiated with Claire to pay her $700 for the night, along with paying for Plan B birth control. Detectives traveled to Lake Roosevelt Elementary School, where Ross was doing administrative work during a school holiday.
Hi there. Are you Mr. Ashenfelter?
Hi.
Are you Mr. Ashenfelter?
Yeah, hi.
Hey, I'm Detective Hoffman's Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, hi.
Right now I want to tell you you are under arrest, so do me a favor, stand up, put your hands behind your back for me.
Excuse me?
Right now you're under arrest.
Okay.
Here, this is Detective Sinclair right in front of you.
Yeah.
He'll explain kind of what's going on.
Okay. Sure.
I have reason to believe that you've been in communication, inappropriate communication,
Okay.
with a 13-year-old child that lives in home.
Okay.
At this point, Detective Sinclair doesn't yet want to let Ross know it was him posing as Claire, so he uses a ruse pretending that Claire was real.
Apparently you told her at some point last week that you were going to come meet up with her,
Yeah.
and she, and then you didn't. So she told her mom that she'd been talking to a teacher. We did some investigation and found out that that teacher was you.
Okay.
So that's why we're here.
Okay.
Okay?
Any weapons or anything on you, sir?
No.
No.
I would like to talk to you a little bit about what's been going on,
Okay.
to see what your mentality was, why you did or didn't show up in Ellensburg. I'm relieved that you did not.
No.
But I would still like to talk to you about that because it is something that she said was an ongoing conversation for quite some time. And we have all of those text communications between you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So right now I want to make sure you know that we are recording.
Okay.
Right now you have the right to remain silent, and then you can say it can be used against you in the court of law.
Okay.
You have the right this time to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you're being questioned. You can afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer questions or make any statements. Do you understand the rights I read to you?
Yes, I do. No statements.
No statements? Okay.
Yeah.
Assuming this is going to be important, we're going to want to take this with you.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes. Okay, what's the process here?
So like Detective Sinclair said, he'd like to speak with you, but of course you have the right to not speak to anybody if you don't want to.
And he's decided not to.
He doesn't want to make these statements right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is these guys will transport you back to Ellensburg, and you're going to get booked into the Kittitas County Jail for communication with the minor for no law purposes.
Is there a simple way to do this?
What?
Like how?
Instead of booking and...
Well, it's a Class C felony, and we take communications and the potential, like you took some pretty good steps towards wanting to have with a child. So that's a big deal to us.
Okay.
It should be a big deal to you.
Yes, yes.
So I guess I'm failing to understand how you would like to simplify things.
It did not happen. So...
Wow.
You didn't communicate with a child?
I never met with her and I never intended to.
No, okay. I don't want to ask you any questions because you've said that you don't want to provide a statement right now.
Yeah.
I would like to know more of what your version of events and your side of the story is, but until you decide that you kind of want to waive your Miranda rights and have that conversation, I really can't ask you any questions, okay?
Okay, so I have to go to Eldenburg?
Yes.
How long is this process?
You'll go to court tomorrow, and then bail will be set.
Am I going to prison?
That's out of my wheelhouse. That's not anything.
I mean, jail. Do I need to stay the night or jail?
Yeah, you'll have to see a judge before. You'll have to go to an arraignment or a probable cause hearing for the judge to determine that there's probable cause, and then he'll set a bail amount. And basically, if you do bail out, some criteria that you have to follow, and one of them is probably going to be that you don't have any contact with children.
Okay.
So you probably won't be allowed back to the school for the foreseeable future,
Okay.
at least until your case is adjudicated.
Is there any way, or I'm not going to run and I'll show up, is there any way to not need to go all the way to Ellensburg?
No, we're going to Ellensburg.
Oh, you're delusional.
Okay.
Like I said, I've read all of the text communication between you and this child, and it's highly inappropriate for
It is.
any adult to have with a child, let alone a fourth grade teacher.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Is it necessary to handcuff me? I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, right now, when we...
I'm confused. This dude is delusional. The fact that he wanted to pay $1,000 for a night with a 13-year-old, an additional $1,000 for 2 nights with a 13-year-old. Now, it would lead you to believe that he just, an older man, wants a 13-year-old child because he wants to be in control. But you know what? I thought about it, and it can't be that. There's so many women his age, a little bit younger, maybe, 27, 29, 30. He's what? They said he was 42. There's women out there that like the dominatrix, that like to be, you know what I'm saying? There's places where you can go to massage, you can pay that $1,000 for. Why does it have to be a child? I'm confused. Like, you just want to take the innocence of a child. Like, I'm confused. That part I'm confused about. Because you can go pay for whatever you're trying to do with a child, you can go pay an adult to do, sir. Can't have a normal relationship, obviously. Thank God you're not a serial killer type. You know what I'm saying? Like, the mindset, I don't understand. I don't understand it because clearly he can go pay that type of money. He can go, matter of fact, he can go overseas. Guatemala, you know what I'm saying? Mexico, whatever. Go have the best time of your night for 2 rackaroos, sir. Why would you choose a child? Why? And the fact that you said you were okay with it when she said, oh, I'm just scared of going to call. You said you was okay with it as long as she was. Now you ask for all this. Am I going to jail? Like, what did you think was going to happen? You a grown-ass man working around kids. How you going to teach them some shit when you acting like you don't know nothing? Explain that to me, sir. You acting like you act like you live in your mom's basement. You look like you live in your mom's basement. If I saw you as my 4th grade teacher, son's or daughter's teacher, I'll have a couple questions. I have my outside, I have my personal life, and I have my work life. Well, motherfuckers, everybody does have a work life and a personal life. But not everybody's personal life includes what you do. Child predator type shit. Like, motherfuckers like to go bowling, like to go to McDonald's to get burgers. Motherfuckers like to watch movie on Netflix and chill with big grown women. Like, what the fuck are we talking about?
Get to the car and you're sitting down, we'll move into the front because it is a long drive and they do kind of suck behind your back. But our policy requires us to have people in our car in handcuffs.
But they will be moved to the front of your body.
Yeah, but we'll move them to the front so it's not, you're not sitting on them the whole time. Okay, let's head down to the car.
The search warrant does include your car. We're going to search.
Well, my students will not be ready for tomorrow.
Okay.
Baby, your students gonna be ready for tomorrow. Neither will you. Your students gonna be just fine, sir. You not ready for what's coming. Motherfuckers in jail don't play about the child pornography, child endangerment, none of that. Pornography, none of that. You're gonna get touched in jail. You're not prepared. Your students, they're okay. You're not prepared for what's about to go down with your life in general, sir. This rabbit hole you decide to go down, you're not ready. You're not prepared. I'm talking about students not prepared. They're not going to be prepared. Somebody's going to come to replace you, and they're going to be 10 times better than you, and they're probably not going to be predators. Okay? What are you talking about? My students not going to be prepared. You's a whole goofy, sir. Your family ain't going to be prepared for the information they're about to receive about you. And neither or the other teachers and principals, the motherfuckers that hired you, they're like, damn, how do we make that? How do we get here? Who hired him? HR, we got a problem.
Attendant and let them know.
You got my phone?
Yeah, it's in there. We're going to serve a warrant on it.
How far away are your medications?
Right there, because she's for union rep. I'm going to Ellensburg to be booked.
Okay.
You probably want union rep for service.
Okay.
little shock right now. So,
I don't know how.
My brother.
And what do you want me to?
The truth.
I've been booked
Okay.
for inappropriate communications, but I have done nothing. So,
Okay.
how long is the booking process?
No accountability still.
Typically pretty quick though.
Okay. Can I stay overnight or get released?
You'll stay overnight.
Okay. Yeah. Online communication is want to avoid it. Yeah. Not good. Not good at all.
You look like a
Like
creep.
for that way, so see less people potentially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do that. I'd want the same thing.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry. I've just I have a personal request. If so, okay, please. You know, I'm really sweaty. Is it possible to take off my sweater? Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You guys are very professional, and I appreciate that. Thank you.
You weren't very professional as a teacher.
Sweating a bunch. I was like, should I ask or not?
No problem.
Thank you. I just sweating a bunch. Like, should I ask or
You're
not?
right in the sun. You want me to close this back up and
Thank you.
try to get the AC going?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Ross was charged with communication with a minor for immoral purposes. He was held on bail but was released after posting the $100,000 bail. He pleaded not guilty to the felony charge in Kittitas County Superior Court, and his trial is set to begin January 14th, 2026. The Kittitas County Sheriff's Office urges anyone with information related to the case to contact them.
I don't know who bailed him out. Maybe it was himself. But if it's my brother, and I cut my brother with 10, 11 to a 13-year-old, and you 42, I ain't bailing you out. Sir, I don't want nothing to do with you anymore. You are my brother from a distance, okay? I refuse to be associated with a known motherfucking child predator. I know nothing about it. I have a wife. I have a 13-year-old myself. Those things I'm thinking in my head, like, that's what I would be saying. Like, how you got the bail, maybe you did it yourself. I don't know who bailed you out, sir, but maybe they need to go to jail too. Because you should have stayed in there the whole time to the trial. If you ask me, I don't trust you. You can communicate to anything. Get on your little laptop, get right back to the type of shittery. I don't know, bro, man. Tell down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this video, man. It's insane. I don't like doing them. But, you know, we're going to do what we do. We're going to call them out. We're going to hold people accountable. And shit, they said the trial going down January 2026. Hopefully we get a follow-up. Hopefully he's sent somewhere where he's going to be touched every day, in which he never sent that message out, not a day in his life, okay? Hope it costs you a lot of money, too. Hope you embarrassed to the man, listen, I just hope you stay, you get 30, 40 years. You didn't make it to the girl, and luckily she wasn't real. Because if she was real, probably would have happened. Then somebody's parents would have had to deal with that type of situation. So, man, yeah, I'm in the video on that note, man. We're going to keep running it up. Now we got to go do a video to make us laugh type because, you know, these type of ones is draining. Now we got to get our meats back in order, our vibes back in order, our energy back in order because these are draining. Seriously, I don't like to do them, but hey, we built for this type of shit, and we're going to keep on doing it. So keep on sending, keep on growing and growing. Giveaway going down on the 21st. Make sure you follow all 3 channels. Merch coming soon. Please, FedEx, show up my shit so we can get this shit popping. It's your boy Fujica, man. I'm out this motherfucker.